So, hello friends, I am Jatin Agarwal and I have brought for you some of the questions. These questions are like other than case study questions, these are directly asked in the interviews and like these are related to your audit observations. So, these will help you in the like domain like statutory audit as well as in the industry interviews. So, please be with me till the end of the video and please subscribe to my channel and like the video if you actually like it, right? So starting with the first question, it is we have to report some of the examples which as auditor we report under the key audit matters. So like I have mentioned these points, you can like explain points from these. First is like your revenue recognition, because in revenue recognition, if a complexity in revenue booking is there, then that can be a point of key audit matter in auditor report. Second is valuation of financial instruments. That can be a point if your financial instruments valuation involve complexity and a lot of judgment, then that point as auditor you can mention in as a key audit matter. Then if impairment on the goodwill or impairment on any intangible asset is there, that can be a key audit matter. Then if any provision and contingent liabilities is there and their determination is uncertain, or some legal disputes or environmental obligations are there, then that can be a point. Now, another point can be valuation of inventories, and specifically when there are many slow-moving, non-moving inventories, and that can be considered as a key audit matter point. Then taxation-related pointers, when uncertain tax positions are there and estimations of provisions of tax liabilities has not done correctly, or there's some ambiguity in that, then that can be a point, right? So moving to next question, which is they will ask that tell me any AI related software which you have worked upon, and like if you have worked on such software. If you have not worked, then they may ask that please tell me some of its key learnings or its benefits that we as organization will gain by adopting it. So like enhances your data analysis, right? Because using the AR software, we can easily identify which inventory is non-moving, which is slow moving, and which is current inventory, which is regular moving, recurring inventory. And other examples are also there, like in case of in case of any valuation methods which the company has adopted, and do the results are as per the methods prescribed. So these can be the points. Then the second point is your risk assessment, because in risk assessment we can set the key parameters using the AI tool, and then AI tool will give us the risk assessment in that particular data or set of data. So that can be a point. Then AI tool improves the efficiency, because the a lot of work can be done in a short duration of time. Then accuracy and consistency, AI tool increases accuracy of work and consistency. Same work can be done again, instead of doing that again and again by a person, that can be done using AI tool. Then some real-time insights we can get using the AI tool, right? So next question is, and you they ask like mention any two key observations which you have identified during your audit and how you dealt with that. So please note that being a chartered accountant should be a key observer, and you have some observations. So point out what good observations you have like pointed out during articleship. Please prepare that, and that how you resolve, how it has been resolved further, what were the key actions after that. So these are the points. Then next question is, what is your biggest achievement you have achieved during articleship? And please listen that it is not the biggest achievement of your life, which we have covered in the previous video. And this is the biggest achievement during articleship. So like I mentioned here that I like was a speaker at various Saturday webinars which our firm conducts. So I have been awarded with the best presenter award during this 3-year articleship journey, something like that, which pertains to you, you can mention and you can prepare. Now, next point is that mention any two areas and which you have consulted the client and that created a value addition to them, right? So because here it shows that you have added some value in your organization, or so like please prepare on this also. Like I mentioned that I have consulted the client on the GST on sale made through e-commerce operator. So actually it created impact of 10-20 lakh rupees. So this was that point from my perspective, and points can be yours. Then second point is like I helped in I helped in identifying and correcting the methods of measuring the financial instruments, right? So next question, like which sectors you have audited? They will ask straight away that which sectors, this sector you have audited. You have audited oil and gas sector. Please tell me its KPIs. KPIs are key performance indicators. These are like these are the indicators based on which any financial performance of that particular work is measured. This work is done in financial planning and analysis also. So you have to learn that what sectors you have audited or you have mentioned in your CV. Please learn KPIs. Like an example, like hotel, for hotel, like number of bed days and number of rooms booked, or like these can be KPIs. So you can find these KPIs either on Google, ChatGPT. Please use and prepare these KPIs, right? So next question is that they ask, tell me any decision of your client which, as per your perspective, took, took that client business to a great height, right? So what was that decision? Like this, you will say that, sir, what this question for denotes means they ask because they want that what's your mind the business perspective, you thought from the managerial perspective or not. So like I mentioned that one of our client was selling through its retail outlets only, but later on he switched to online sales, then multi-level sales, including selling its brand to the other retail outlets. So it doubled its sale during that year in which he took that decision. So like this, you can mention your client's decision. So please prepare these questions. Please subscribe to my channel and like and press the like button if you like the video. And I'll ensure that I'll post daily at least one video on these topics, so that by the time you reach your campus, or in 10 days, you will have answers on every question. So thank you so much.